What's been happening at Maitland Local Court this week? From the court list, it looks like Maitland Local Court only sat on Monday and Tuesday this week, with about 20 people listed to appear. I can't find any police media releases or newspaper stories about any of these cases. So I have no idea why the 20 people had a case. So this week I found myself with spare time to hear about other cases from other courts. And as luck would have it, a story about a case from Tasmania appeared on my newsfeed from our local newspaper here in Maitland. So naturally, I clicked on the story, ready to hear all about the legal details. The first thing I noticed is the story is listed under the category Life and Style, subcategory Celebrity. Hang on, shouldn't a legal story be found under the category that is Crimes and Courts? Maybe it's really a story about entertainment rather than a court story. With caution, I read on. The story is talking about a TV show, defamation, and who said what on social media. And then part of a story includes whether an AVO could be served via social media. Sorry, say what? I quickly click away. I'm not sure what I was reading. And you don't need to go to law school to know the answer. Court orders are not served via social media. I find that whole concept slightly terrifying. I need to be careful not to be misinformed about court procedures in these celebrity stories. As for the concept of defamation, well, I reckon that's different for celebrities than it is for non-celebrities here in Maitland. What I'm saying is us non-celebrities need to manage our expectations about how successful we would bringing a defamation case to court. So this week I may not have found any stories about what's happening at Maitland Local Court, but I was reminded to be aware when I do discover a story. In my opinion, if the court story is listed under celebrity, it's very likely an entertainment story. And if you're into that, click on it. However, if you're looking for an informative story about a court case, sometimes it's tricky to see where to click. Meanwhile, it looks like it's a busy week next week with cases on every day at Maitland Local Court.